Hello guys, in this episode we will assemble the steering. The first step is to determine the position of the steering wheel. I designed it in CAD of course, but to get the perfect driving position I had to make a real-life test. After I got it, I marked the position on the axis with a marker, so I know what the length of the upper tube has to be. To make up the steering column, I used two stock 3R steering columns because the column of the buggy has 3 segments instead of 2, so I had to have an extra U-joint. I welded in the triangle-shaped end section of the original steering column so I can connect them with the U-joints. It worked almost flawlessly with one little problem. It made this clunking noise because the stock steering column has a rubber disc inside for vibration isolation, and this allowed the lower part of the steering column to dangle around. I decided to get rid of this part because the last thing we would care about in this build is vibration isolation. I just had to remove the rivets, rotate the two parts by 90 degrees, and substitute the rivets with screws. And now we are at a huge milestone. With the wheels up, we have a rolling chassis.